about a week ago, it was flooding pretty bad over here. We lost the pedal boat and the John boat. I see the pedal boat back there. I'll try to go get them back. Just look how the water bore everything away. Oh, that's nice. Found a deer school. It's pretty cool. I hope the John boat is back here somewhere. If not, it's probably floating in the pond somewhere or something. So I have no idea where that is. I don't see it back here. I also don't know how I'm gonna get this back because it's pretty thick over here, and then there's deep water right there. So I'll try my best. So I just stepped right here and I lost my shoe in the mud. So I went and got a paddle so I could get all the water out. And once I get it out, I'm gonna try to flip it to get the rest. And I'm gonna try to drag it up there and get it back. So hopefully it ain't too hard. Just got it up this hill now. Take it down and then bring it back up. We're almost there. Finally got it. God, that's a workout. So now we just gotta drag it all the way over to the pond. Let's go. There's a bald eagle right there. America. So that's where the boat was. I dragged it all the way over here, down this, came around, up this freaking bump, back down, and up this with a pain you get up. I had to go down this little freaking cliff. Ow. And down and up over that. Final one. Then I had to drag it. I'm glad I got that back. But hopefully I can find the other boat. I mean, I don't ever use the other one, but it ain't mine, so I would just like to find it. Try to show y'all how many swirls are out here. One right there, one out there, another one right there, over there, back there, some over there too, just all over. Some picky fish, man. Oh well, we'll get them next time.